Good morning! Today is Tuesday, May 5th. I hope you enjoyed your long weekend and were able to get outside and play in the beautiful weather. Today, you may join me from 11:30 to 12 o'clock for office hours if you would like. Otherwise, your job is to complete the lessons in this post and on Seesaw. Check for a lesson from Mr. J for music, and check your targeted reading folder on Seesaw for a lesson there. Have a fabulous day of learning, and I miss you all. Love, Miss Rimrine. For your greeting this morning, I want you to make up a secret handshake with somebody you live with. If you could get it on video or take a picture of you doing it, definitely post that to Seesaw. I would love to see what it looks like. For sharing, comment on our Seesaw post, and here's the question. Even though we wish we were at school, what is one thing you like about being home? I know it's hard to not be able to be at school like usual, but I'm hoping that you're finding a couple things that you enjoy about being home. All right, and for your activity, it's a bit of a challenge today. I want you to do 15 squats, 10 jumping jacks, and 5 sit-ups. Have such an amazing day, and I can't wait to see some of you at 11:30, and I can't wait to see all of your learning coming on in.